Dali, pagdalit, sayang.
Bumirang na, bumirang.
Buang yung munggol. Masa ba? Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to our channel. So, time check, it's 6:30 in the evening, guys. Mimi and I went to get the car washed, and then we got there and realized that they don't actually take coins, like, you know, 50 cents, 20 cents coins. It has to be $1 or $2 coins. So Mimi has got the country, you guys, like, see, the country. So we thought that we're going to use that one, and then realized that we can't use it, so we had to go to the nearest petrol station, guys, to find an ATM to take some money out. Stupid. But we got money now, guys, so we have to go back to the car wash, guys, and start washing the car because it looks filthy at the moment. And tomorrow we're going for a long drive, and you know, it feels good when
A nice car.
yeah, driving clean, you know, not smelly car. But yeah, take it with us, guys. I'll see you again soon.
Bye.
Bye. Here, as you can see, the car looks dusty at the moment. Well, that's why we're here to clean it, right? But Tita has to get money change first. Ayo. Sukli may 20.
Sukli may 20 na. Sobra ito.
Siguro 22.
Ben? 2,
Ay, hindi, piso.
8, 10. Tulangan!
Today. Guys, sa tinood lang, di mo gina ko maglimpyo. Ito ang cleaner, oh. Labon mo ulit na siya karong kuan. Biyernes. Kalimpyo sa kya na muli. Ay, sugma. Ano naman? Sugma ka! Sugko! Kung ba kayo kayo siya nakagibil? Mak na Hermes, hindi ka shoes, mak.
Ako ng gilisan yung mabasa.
Grabe bula, ah. Pilang sa amin yung guy.
Pagkawa ko ba yun lang yung mamadang? Pag una ka uligin na pinati ako, ay magkakaroon.
Mabot sa balingas lagi ang car wash na rin. XRM ni pa mga guba-guba. XRM nga kagang-kagang. Kulang na to, mak. Patagin na to si Silly, Makpi. Zero. So we'll put some more. $2, guys, is for 3 minutes and 20 seconds. We're gonna need more. Uy, hindi ka pagak. There you go. 6 minutes, we should be fine.
Uy, ganun dito man.
Hindi, ato. Sarunga.
Madam.
pagdalit, sayang.
Bumirang na, bumirang. Pagsakinan mo mo.
Buang yung munggol. Masa ba? Ay, pasayangin, tubig. Ba? Mak, ang atop mo na, Mak. Ang atop pa. Bahala na. Guba na lang sapatos, sinilas mo. Sige na nga, kahit 20 ko na lang, oh. 20 seconds. Eh, ipo ko naman na siya nga spotless. Uy, apas na dito sa kwan. Baka wala nabili, hindi na mabahin. Fast forward. Fast forward. Time is up. So now we have to do the vacuuming part because you can see it's very dusty inside. So yeah, let's do this. We have to tag up another $2. Mo. Wala na kay kwarta te. Wala na. Pobre. Kagasto mo. Kagasto na dala kami mo man. Guys, give you a sneak peek kung unsa ka bulingit. Guys, 1,000 minutes later, we just finished cleaning the car, guys. Also, we did the last step, putting all the, fragrance in the car. Oh, it smells so good here now, guys. Thank you, Tita.
Welcome.
But yeah, guys, so Mimi is going home to... What's going on with it? So Mimi is going home to the Philippines this Friday, guys. And mataring guys, meaning nga, kay dato na siya guys, so kay kuan gikan sa Australia. Watch this video, guys. Ang iyang trabaho din sa Australia, tigugas, tiguan na siya, tiglimpyo sa kanan. Car washer na siya, guys. So if you have a car and you want someone to wash, just message me. We only charge a little bit. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, time check is 7:20 at night, so we're gonna go home now. Because Daddy and Paris is waiting at home, and that's about it. Yeah, she's tired, so we're gonna go get something to eat.
Yay!
But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give this a thumbs up, and also subscribe to this channel, guys, for more videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye. Baboosh.